Introducing the Traxxas XO-1 Hybrid, a masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of RC technology and performance. Picture this: a sleek, aerodynamic design, a cutting-edge hybrid system that marries electric efficiency with the raw power of nitro. This is not just an RC car, it's a revolution on wheels. Imagine the thrill as you hold the remote, feeling the adrenaline rush through your veins. The XO-1 Hybrid isn't just built for speed, it's engineered for those who crave the ultimate driving experience. With a top speed of over 100 mph, it's designed for speed enthusiasts who demand more from their RC vehicles. The hybrid system offers the perfect balance of power and control, giving you an exhilarating ride that will leave your competitors in the dust. As you drive, the handling is nothing short of phenomenal. The advanced suspension system absorbs bumps and ensures stability, allowing you to take corners with confidence. You can push the limits without fear, knowing that the XO-1 Hybrid will respond to your every command. The combination of its lightweight chassis and powerful drivetrain makes it incredibly agile, allowing you to navigate through tight spaces and perform jaw-dropping maneuvers. But let's talk about the technology behind this beast. The XO-1 Hybrid features a sophisticated telemetry system that provides real-time data. You can monitor speed, battery life, and even temperature from the convenience of your remote. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision and control. You'll be able to fine-tune your performance, adjusting settings on the fly to adapt to any track or terrain. What truly sets the XO-1 Hybrid apart is its innovative hybrid powertrain. The electric motor delivers instant torque, providing rapid acceleration that will leave you breathless. Meanwhile, the nitro engine offers sustained power for those long runs, ensuring that you can keep the adrenaline pumping without interruption. This dual system approach gives you the best of both worlds, allowing you to choose how you want to drive based on your mood or the demands of the race. Now let's talk about customization. The XO-1 Hybrid is designed with the hobbyist in mind. You can easily swap out components, upgrade parts, and personalize your vehicle to reflect your unique style. Whether you want to enhance performance, improve aesthetics, or simply make it your own, the options are endless. This level of customization empowers you to create a car that is not just a machine, but an extension of yourself. Durability is key in the world of RC, and Traxxas has you covered. The XO-1 Hybrid is built with tough materials that can withstand the rigors of high-speed driving. From the reinforced chassis to the heavy-duty components, this car is made to last. You can race with confidence, knowing that it can handle whatever challenges come your way. And let's not forget about the community that comes with owning a Traxxas product. When you invest in the XO-1 Hybrid, you're not just buying a car, you're joining a passionate group of enthusiasts who share your love for speed and innovation. Whether it's sharing tips, racing together, or showcasing your custom builds, the Traxxas community is vibrant and welcoming. As you explore the capabilities of the XO-1 Hybrid, you'll find yourself captivated by its performance and design. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a declaration of your commitment to excellence and your love for the thrill of the race. Each time you take it out, you're not just driving, you're experiencing the epitome of RC technology. In conclusion, the Traxxas XO-1 Hybrid isn't merely an RC car, it's a game changer. With its revolutionary hybrid powertrain, stunning design, and unparalleled performance, it sets a new standard for what an RC vehicle can be. It invites you to push your limits, embrace the speed, and immerse yourself in the excitement of the race. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the XO-1 Hybrid offers an experience that will redefine your expectations and fuel your passion for RC racing. So gear up, hit the track, and let the Traxxas XO-1 Hybrid take you on an unforgettable journey.